Welding. Students welding in an industrial workshop.
Working with my hands and building things and having knowledge around tools and fabrication was always something that I had been interested in and never felt I could do or that was open to me.
Chelsea smiles.
My name's Chelsea Gabrielle.
Chelsea Welding.
I did not have a welding job prior to going to school. I came into the classroom knowing very few things about how tools work, how metal worked, and the processes for creating things.
In a workshop, students use computers and heavy machinery. Blue sparks scatter from a welding gun.
Classes were flexible. I could take evening classes and work during the day. I currently work as a welding lead supervisor at a company called Fabrication. We make bike infrastructure.
Chelsea lifting red and gray metal pipes.
My name is Chelsea Gabrielle, and I am in the Welding Technology 2-year program.
Minneapolis Community and Technical College. www.minneapolis.edu